Did you know that you can turn your TikTok scrolling habit into a profitable blog? And there are countless blogs making full-time income by simply expanding on viral topics. For example, The Kitchen started as a small food blog and now makes over $15 million a year through ads and affiliate marketing. So if you ever thought, I want to start a blog, but I have no idea what to write about, then this video is your cheat code. I researched trending TikTok accounts and found 16 blog ideas that are already proving to go viral. I'll break down the SEO strategy needed to future-proof your blog for 2025. Plus, I'll give you ideas on how you can make money from this blog. And if you're new here, my channel is all about side hustles, passive income strategies, and tutorials. Okay, so number one is forgotten food trends. And this is inspired by TikToker B. Dylan Hollis. So the TikTok account B. Dylan Hollis, he turns the weirdest, most forgotten recipes from the past into hilarious and engaging content. He's reviving the vintage food trends with a modern twist. So what would you want to focus on in your blog? One idea is you can focus on uncovering the rise and fall of bizarre food trends throughout history, from gelatin salads of the 1950s to TikTok's latest viral recipes. And the SEO proof that this will work, weird food trends, is 40,000 plus searches per month. Retro food recipes are 25,000 plus searches per month. And the history of food trends is 18,000 plus searches per month. So what are some ways that you would make money from it? You can use affiliate links to niche cooking tools, vintage-inspired cookbooks, and quirky kitchenware. You can do sponsored content with retro food brands or companies reviving nostalgia products. For digital products, you can create a printable guide or an ebook featuring 100 forgotten food trends and recipes with modern adaptations. Here's a bonus idea. You can create a series comparing vintage trends with modern TikTok food trends and ranking which ones deserve a comeback and which ones should stay in the past forever. Also, if you need an affiliate marketing tutorial or a digital product tutorial, check out these videos. And number two, you can do something on survival skills and disaster prep. And this is inspired by Urban Survival Guide, which teaches urban survival hacks, prepping, and emergency skills. Your blog could focus on survival tips for city dwellers, self-defense for power outages and natural disasters. And here's your SEO proof. Urban Survival Tips gets 40,000 searches per month. How to Prep for Power Outages has 30,000 searches per month. And how would you make money off this? You can use affiliate marketing, you can do survival kits, emergency food, tactical gear. You can do an ebook or a guide, you can do a 30-day urban survival plan, and you can do brand sponsorships with outdoor and survival companies. Number three, the Unreal Estate. Weird and Abandoned Properties blog, inspired by Forgotten Properties. Forgotten Properties explores abandoned mansions, weird homes, and secret real estate deals. So what would your blog focus on? You can do a deep dive into the world of abandoned houses, cheap lands, and weird real estate trends. The SEO proof? Abandoned mansions for sale gets 50,000 searches per month, and cheap land in the United States has 60,000 plus monthly searches. And how would you make money off this? You can use affiliate marketing with real estate listing sites, home restoration tools. You can start a digital product and list the ultimate guide to buying abandoned homes. And for ad revenue and YouTube, you can do videos of real abandoned homes that can go viral. And number four, the hyper-specific dog breed blog. This is inspired by Golden Retriever love, which creates posts and Golden Retriever quirks, trainings, and must-have products. So what would your blog focus on? A dedicated niche blog about one dog breed with training tips, best products, breed-specific health advice, and the SEO proof? Golden Retriever training tips gets 70,000 searches per month. Best dog food for Golden Retrievers has 50,000 plus searches per month. And how would you make money off this? Affiliate marketing, you can do pet food training, courses, dog accessories. You can do a printable guide, Golden Retriever puppy training in 30 days, or you can do sponsored content for pet brands and dog food companies. And you can replicate this for any popular dog breeds. Huskies, French Bulldogs, Chihuahuas. And number five, the DIY Home Science Experiment blog. And this is inspired by Backyard Science. Backyard Science goes viral by turning everyday items into cool science projects. And what would your blog focus on? You could do step-by-step DIY science experiments for kids, homeschoolers, or even curious adults. Here's the SEO proof. Easy Science Experiments for Kids gets 90,000 searches per month. Home Science Projects has 60,000 searches per month. So how would you make money off this? You can use affiliate marketing for science kits, experiment books, and lab gear. You can have a YouTube crossover, and you can do science explainer videos. Number 6, kid-approved meal hacks, and this is inspired by Lunchbox Mama. So Lunchbox Mama shares quick, creative, and healthy lunchbox ideas for kids. So what would your blog look like? It would be easy, fun, healthy meal ideas for picky eaters, school lunches, and busy parents. And what's the SEO proof? Easy lunch ideas for kids get 80,000 searches per month. Picky eater meal ideas has 50,000 searches per month. So how would you make money off this? You can use affiliate marketing and do bento boxes, meal prep containers, kid-friendly kitchen tools. You can do ebooks or printables, 30-day lunchbox meal plan for picky eaters. You can do ad revenue and sponsorships, brands that sell healthy foods, snacks, and meal kits. And number 7, Tough Love Car Care, and this is inspired by the Auto Tips. So the Auto Tips simplifies car maintenance with quick, no-nonsense repair hacks that helps drivers avoid unnecessary mechanic visits. So what would your blog focus on? It would focus on Tough Love Car Care. It's a brutally honest blog for non-car people who just need their car to stay running without breaking the bank. Think car maintenance for absolute beginners, shady mechanic red flags, and what YouTube won't tell you about DIY repairs. And here's the SEO proof. Beginner car maintenance, 50,000 searches per month. Signs of bad mechanic, 35,000 searches per month. Easiest car repairs to do yourself, 28,000 searches per month. And how would you make money off this? You can use affiliate links, beginner-friendly toolkits, diagnostic scanners, or budget-friendly auto parts. You can do sponsored content with brands like AutoZone, O'Reilly, Auto Parts, or online mechanic certification programs. And then you can even create a digital product, a no BS car maintenance checklist, or a printable emergency roadside toolkit guide for new drivers. Here's a bonus tip. You can do a mechanic horror story series where readers submit their worst auto shop scams and overpriced repair nightmares, then break down what you should have done instead. Number 8, the Focus Mode blog, and this is inspired by Mind Over Clutter. Mind Over Clutter helps people declutter their physical and digital spaces for better productivity. What would your blog focus on? How to build a distraction-free workspace and deep work habits. Instead of just digital minimalism, this blog focuses on how to structure your environment for better focus, covering workspace design, concentration hacks, and deep work strategies. The SEO proof? How to improve focus at work gets 70,000 monthly searches. Best productivity tools for help is rising in search volume. So how would you make money off this? You can do affiliate sales for productivity software like Notion or Evernote. You can do a digital guide like the Focus Mode Blueprint. You can do sponsored content from workspace and organization brands. Number 9, the Trash to Profit blog, inspired by Trash to Treasure Queen. Trash to Treasure Queen transforms everyday trash into high-end decor. So what would your blog focus on? Maybe how to turn your discarded items into profitable Etsy products. Instead of just a DIY decor blog, this could be a blueprint for turning your upcycled projects into a business. You can cover how to sell things fast and best, how to list them, and how to scale your eco-friendly side hustle. And here's the SEO proof. How to start an upcycled business has 50,000 monthly searches. Best things to sell on Etsy is a fast-growing topic. And ways to make money? Affiliate links for Etsy tools, DIY supplies, and shipping materials. You can do a digital course from trash to Etsy treasure, and you can be a private Etsy selling coach. Number 10, the Adrenaline Side Hustle blog. And this is inspired by Cashflow Hustles. Cashflow Hustles showcases high-risk, high-reward side hustles like flipping luxury goods and liquidation pallets. So what would your blog focus on? You could do side hustles that make you money and give you an adrenaline rush. This blog can cover thrilling, action-packed ways to make money like flipping exotic cars, day trading, auction flipping, and extreme sports coaching. SEO proof, high-risk, high-reward side hustles gets 80,000 searches per month. How to make money fast is a highly searched topic. And how to make money from it. You can use affiliate links for flipping tools, trading platforms, and auction memberships. Create a digital guide, 10 hustles that gets your heart racing. Sponsored content from financial and investment brands. 11, the Forbidden Destinations blog, inspired by Secret Getaways. Secret Getaways shares hidden, underrated travel spots. So what would your blog focus on? Maybe how to visit restricted, abandoned, or off-limit locations. This blog could cover places that travelers aren't supposed to go, like ghost towns or abandoned amusement parks, and maybe even private islands. So SEO proof this would work? How to visit abandoned places gets 45,000 searches per month, and secret travel spots you can actually visit is growing. So how would you make money off this? You can do affiliate marketing for travel gear and booking platforms. You can do a digital product, the ultimate forbidden destination guide. You can have sponsored partnerships with adventure brands. 12, the viral MythBusting blog. And this is inspired by Conspiracy Decoded. Conspiracy Decoded explains viral conspiracy theories. So what would your blog focus on? Fact-checking the internet's biggest viral claims. Instead of just covering conspiracies, this blog investigates viral claims. It could be across TikTok, Reddit, YouTube. You can debunk myths about money, health, or even tech. So what's the SEO proof? Is blank real searches are exploding on Google, and fact-checking TikTok trends has increasing search volume. So how would you make money off this? Affiliate links to fact-checking resources, books, and courses. You can do an exclusive membership for real-time myth-busting breakdowns. You can do sponsored content from news and media outlets. 13, which is inspired by Backyard Homesteader. Backyard Homesteader teaches suburban homesteading. So what would your blog focus on? How to live a zero-waste lifestyle in the suburbs. This blog can go beyond homesteading to cover sustainable suburban living, from composting hacks to energy-efficient home upgrades. And proof this blog will be sustainable, how to reduce waste at home gets 60,000 searches per month. Eco-friendly home hacks is trending on Google. So how would you make money off this? Again, you can use affiliate sales of eco-friendly home products, create a digital course, Sustainable Suburbia, or you can get sponsored posts from green living brands. And 14, the AI-powered life blog, and this is inspired by AI Hustle Master. So AI Hustle Master shares AI-driven side hustle ideas. What would your blog look like? How to use AI to enhance daily life, from parenting to fitness. This blog can be about everyday AI use cases, from AI meal planning to AI-powered personal training and smart budgeting. So what is the SEO demand? Best AI tools for daily life sees 95,000 searches per month, and how to use AI for personal productivity is on the rise. And how would this make you money? You can use affiliate links for AI-powered lifestyle tools, create a digital guide, AI for everyday life, or you could do sponsorship partnerships with tech brands. 15, and I could probably use this one, the Picky Eater Playbook Guide, inspired by Easy Meals for Kids. Easy Meal for Kids shares quick meal hacks for kids. What would your blog look like? How to make kids love healthy food without hiding vegetables. This blog is about changing kids' mindsets around food, using fun food psychology tricks, sensory-friendly meals, and creative ways to introduce new flavors. What does the SEO look like? How to get picky eaters to try new foods has 80,000 searches per month. I'm probably 50,000 of those. Fun ways to make kids eat healthy is also on the rise. So how would you make money off this? You can use affiliate links for meal prep tools and kid-friendly cookbooks. You can do an ebook for the No Fight Kid Meal Plan. You can do a membership site with weekly meal challenges. And 16, the Modern Law Skills blog, inspired by Old World Skills. Old World Skills teaches heritage skills like blacksmithing and sewing. So what would your blog look like? Law skills that make you look more independent in today's world. Rather than just nostalgia, this blog teaches practical old school skills that save money and increase self-reliance, like darning socks, repairing tech gadgets, and making homemade cleaning supplies. So what does SEO look like? Law skills everyone should know gets 50,000 searches per month, and how to live more self-sufficiently is growing. So how would you make money off this blog? Affiliate sales of DIY books, kits, and tools, digital courses like Old Skills for a Modern World. You can do a printable guide, step-by-step survival skills. Okay, so now that you have 16 unique blog ideas, what's next? Here's a 3-step cheat code to get started today. Pick a niche from this list or something that you're already passionate about, then set up your blog. Then 3, you start writing and monetizing. Use your affiliate links, ads, and digital products to start making money. I also have free resources and templates in the description down below. Comment below with your favorite blog idea. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.